My name is Amy Felsted. I'm a vascular surgeon at the VA Boston and assistant professor of surgery at Boston University. I recently completed my fellowship in vascular surgery at the Dartmouth-Hitchcock Medical Center. This paper is entitled, A Patient-Centered Textbook Outcome Measure Effectively Discriminates Contemporary Elective Open Aortic Aneurysm Repair Quality. We reviewed 10,000 open aneurysm repairs over 14 years. Less than half of the procedures achieved a textbook outcome, and the rate varied significantly between hospitals even within the high-volume centers, demonstrating that although center volume is important, it alone is an insufficient metric for aneurysm repair quality. The textbook outcome we described provides a more nuanced measure for perioperative open aneurysm repair quality. Its use as a quality metric may allow us to improve real-world open aneurysm repair care in ways that are more meaningful to clinicians and patients.